Today I'm working on a Shindaiwa EB802 RT. This has the tube-mounted throttle control system on it. The machine is in unknown condition. I'll take you through the process of diagnosing and repairing it. Quick inspection shows the carburetor has been installed backwards. This should be entering from the other side. So I'm sure this machine runs fantastic with the carburetor on backwards. I'm also liking the Ryobi string trimmer handle as a repair. The pivoting elbow for the blower tube has been installed incorrectly. These have a paddle that sticks out of them that stops against that tab right there. This has been put on reversed, so it only swivels backwards, and it does not swivel any further past than that. And here on the tube, somebody has taken a section. You can see this warning decal, and here's the decal again where it normally belongs on this pivoting tube. So they've taken a section of this middle tube and stuck it back into another middle tube. I don't understand why, to reinforce how this fits into the corrugated flex elbow. Fuel tank smells like old fuel. Feels like it has decent compression and doesn't sound bad. Loose and Chinese replacement spark plug, if that's what was running in it. That white ash condition means it was running very lean, probably due to that backwards carburetor. The carburetor's been installed without a gasket, and somebody has used black RTV silicone. The side of the carburetor with the rubber gasket faces out. That's what seals against the air filter base. Take both fuel hoses off. And we have a mixture screw exposed, so this is a Chinese copy. It's not marked Walbro anywhere. There's what's left of the intake block. Is there a pulse port even available? There it is. A quick compression test shows 165 pounds, so that's excellent. I've put fuel in it, put the carburetor back on the correct way, routed the fuel lines properly. I had a used gasket for between the carburetor and the manifold, so that'll have to work for testing for now. Will the carburetor pump up? No, it absolutely will not. Well, there's why the carburetor won't pump up. I'll replace these replica lines that came with the carburetor. Okay, the tube has been reassembled correctly. The elbow for the tube has been remounted so that rotation stop tab is in the correct spot. I've got a used gasket because that's all I had on hand for a test run. So we'll turn the ignition on, give it some choke. Got our fresh fancy fuel hoses. Carburetor is responding. Turn the choke off and give it a little throttle. Air out that crankcase a little bit. See how it restarts. One Shindaiwa EB802RT back in service. I'll get some parts ordered for this so it looks a lot nicer, and it'll be all ready to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you out.